won't stop, watch me rise, hit the grind, cut the tithe. Pushing through, breaking rules, staying strong all along.
808 waves and claps, building, adding intensity to the atmosphere.
Eyes on me, I'm so free. I'm the one, get it done. Moving fast, going past. Feel the fire, take me higher. Layered tips and snare rolls, driving the anticipation into the chorus. Level up, never stop, climb the top, I'm on lock. Push the bar, I'll go far, set the pace, win the race. 808s drop with panchy drums, building momentum for the next verse. On the move, watch me groove, I'll break through, staying true. Hands are steady, game is ready, never quit, don't submit. The beat softens, transitioning with atmospheric pads, creating tension before the pre-chorus. Eyes on me, I'm so free, I'm the one, get it done. Moving fast, going past, feel the fire, take me higher. Fast-paced snare rolls, layered synths, with bass getting more intense. Level up, never stop, climb the top, I'm on lock. Push the bar, I'll go far, set the pace, win the race. Fast-paced snare rolls, layered synths, with bass getting more intense. Level up, never stop, climb the top, I'm on lock. Push the bar, I'll go far, set the pace, win the race. Break the chain, feel the pain, I'll remain in the game. No retreat, can't defeat, I won't lose, I will choose. Energy drops, leaving space for ever paths with vocal chops and bass rumble. Level up, never stop, climb the top, I'm on lock. Push the bar, I'll go far, set the pace, win the race. Break the chain, feel the pain. Gun ups, atmosphere pads with vocal chops and bass rumble. Slow fade out with rising synths and a final build up, leaving the track with a feeling of empowerment.